Welcome all of you, and let us start our science class. Okay, so students, today I have brought one game for all of you. So first of all of you please put your attendance and put your P for your attendance. Come on, let it be fast for that one. Okay, and am I audible and visible to all of you? Yes, I got the response because everyone is putting their attendance. So that's very nice. And get ready for an interesting game. Today, I'm going to give you some images or some words or some hints. And you have to tell me that where do we find these things? Okay, ready? Everyone is ready? Are you ready to play the game? Ready to play the game? Yes or no? Everyone? Yes, Gronthana is raising her hand and she's ready to play the game. Wow, it's so nice of you, Vita. So let us start the game, okay? Okay. So everyone is ready. Even in my chat box, everyone is writing they are ready to play. Yes, but ma'am, please explain more. Okay, once more I am explaining the rule of the game. Okay, I am going to show you one image or one word I am going to give you, or I am going to give you some hints in the form of riddle. Okay, and you have to tell me that where do you find these things. Okay, now is it clear? Where do you find these things? Okay, so let us start. And the first round is I'm going to show you one image, and that is, yes. So where do you find this? Where do you find this? Come on, everyone. Where do you find this? Who is going to answer me? Okay, I got the first answer, and that is from Shashmit Ghosh. Okay, Shashmit Ghosh has given the answer. One is aeroplane, but beta, the rule of the game was not what is this. You don't have to answer what is this. When I will ask you what is this, at that time you will give the answer what is this. I just asked you where do you find this in your neighborhood. So your second answer is correct. It's airport. Excellent. It's airport. Okay. Okay. No problem. Not at all, Shashmit. You are most welcome, beta. Come on. I told you in the morning also, if we will not make mistake, we will not learn. Okay? So, don't worry about your mistakes. Just learn from your mistakes. So, airport. So, the first round has been completed by my students. Excellent, outstanding students. Now, second one. Now, I am going to give you one word, okay, and you have to tell me where you find this thing. Okay, so the word is train. Train. And here got the first answer, that is Simran, and second from Shrestha, third from who is this? Okay, Shashmit. But I will take the first answer from Ashmita because the full word is railway station, not station only. Okay. Okay, it is railway station. Very nice. So Ashmita, Sanstita, Srijan, they all have given the whole answer, that is railway station. So second point, only 3 students just partially went wrong, otherwise they were correct. They identified the place little bit in hurry, they did a silly mistake. So now exactly train is been found in our neighborhood in railway stations. Now let's go for the next one. Now I am going to give you one hint, that is a riddle. Okay, you find out what is the place where you see this one. It is white in color. The name of this vehicle is written in inverse form on this vehicle. This vehicle is carrying patients in emergency. So, what is that? What is the name of this vehicle? Okay, so Shyam Prabhu has given the word ambulance. Shashmit, it's not railway station. And Simran has given the word ambulance in hospital. So this is the correct one. Okay, so ambulance, of course, the vehicle's name is ambulance. And where do you find it? You find it in hospital. Very good. So this was the exact word which I want. So Simran was the first one to give the correct answer. And let's see who is the second one to give me the correct answer. And Srijan is the second one, and Shashmit is the third one. Okay, rest of the students have only given the name of the vehicle. Of course, you have to give the name of the vehicle, but the rule of the game was, where do you find it? Okay, so you forgot to give me the name of where do you find it. So this was the third round. Okay, third round, 3 students qualified. Now let's go for the fourth round. And the fourth round is, I'm going to show you one image. And that image is this. Image is this. So where do you find this? Where do you find this? Who is going to tell me? Yes, Ashmita is the first one. I received answer from Ashmita. Then after Shyam Prabhu. Okay. Then after Simran and Srijan. Srijan, beta, your spelling is wrong and it is not truck. It is not truck, beta. Okay. So it's tractor. It's tractor and it is found in field. And can anyone tell me one extra question I want to ask you? And that is, who use tractors? Usually, who use tractors? Yes, Ashmita. Yes, Shyama Prabhu. Farmers. Our farmers are using tractors to grow crops. Exactly. So this round was also outstanding. Each and every question my students are having answer. And they are really, I don't have words, I am speechless. Now let's see, we are going for the next one. And your next word is, so let us see how many of you can qualify this game. Okay, so the next word is, come on. What is this? The next word is yes. So who is going to give me the first answer? And first answer is from Ashmita, second from Simran, third from Shrestha. Then after comes Priyam, Shyama Prabhu, everyone. So yes, it is post office. Everyone qualified this one. So we find letter box at post office in our neighborhood. Now let us see. Let's go for the next round. And the next round is again one picture. It's an image. Okay, so let us see. Where do you find this one in your neighborhood? Where do you find this one in your neighborhood? And Shrestha is the first one to give the answer, Ashmita second, and Rudra Aditya third, Simran fourth, and Simran has given the whole answer. It's a jeep. Very good, Simran, you have given the answer jeep. Just it was enough if you have given the destiny also, because this time I have not asked you what it is. So all the students, everyone has given the exact answer. It's the police station where we find jeeps. It's the police station where we find jeeps. So each and every student has qualified this round also. Now it's the last round, and let me see who can find out this one. And here comes cooked food. The word cooked food. So where in your neighborhood you can find this with a menu card on your table? Where you can find this with your menu card on your table? And here comes lots of answer. First from Shrestha, then after from Shyama Prabhu, Priyam, very good, Sanstita, Shimran. Exactly, it's restaurant. It's restaurant. In previous class, some of the student, one or two student has given the answer kitchen. Yes, I got that one. I was just waiting for this one. Tathagato, yes, it is kitchen. But the question was, where do you find these things in your neighborhood? Not in your house. Okay, so if the question is in your neighborhood, then you will answer restaurant or hotels. And if it is in your house, then obviously it has to be your kitchen. Okay? Okay? Clear, beta? Your answer is not wrong, not at all wrong. But there is little bit difference in my question. Okay, I'm very bad, right? I'm just always twisting some questions. So just be careful about twisted questions. Okay? So how was the game? How was the game? Did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy, everyone? Your interesting game? Yes, all of you enjoyed. And really even I enjoyed with you. And this game just made us recall that which transports are being used with our neighborhood places. See, again relations, right? Again, every word is having relationship with some other word. Vehicles or transports related with the neighborhood places. Things related with the neighborhood places. So each and every word is what? Each and every word is? What I say? Each and every word is important. So whenever you hear new word, whenever you read new word, whenever you, yes, sing new word, just remember it. Because each and every word is going to be useful to you to relate with other. Okay? So that's very nice. I even enjoyed the game with you, and I will be back again with a new class next day. Till that time, take care of yourself, be happy, and always be smiling. Bye bye, students.